Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. We are located in between Ostuni and Fasano, and we are in one of the most sought after locations here today. So I'm really happy to be showing you this beautiful Trullo, which you can see behind me. Now this Trullo sits on 3 hectares of land, and here we have 200 square meters of usable space of property. So it's absolutely ideal for anyone looking for maybe a holiday home that you want to divide into separate apartments. But without further ado, let me take you inside to start showing you around. Now, I will put the drone video as always, just showing you the land and the limits of the land as well. But I just wanted to bring you into this first part of the property. So as I said, it's kind of divided into sections, this property. Could be all connected up, but just show them how large this cone is. Really large cone and a really good size room here. You've kind of got the 2 rooms branching off and then what would have been the kitchen at some point. So let's start with the little kitchenette here. And you've got a big fireplace, obviously a little window there, and obviously this property needs to be completely restored, but I think what's here is absolutely stunning. So coming through here, got a little alcove here, obviously could work very well as a bedroom bathroom setup the way I see it in here. Then coming round, we got another bedroom here. And little windows off to the back side of the land. So a really nice property here. Again, it sits on 3 hectares of land, and you have all these kind of little nooks and crannies that give a lot of features in this property. So coming round, we're going to walk through. Unfortunately, we've got grass has grown lately, so it's quite tall at the moment. But one thing I really wanted to show you was this fireplace. So this entire room was basically the kitchen, would have been back in the day. And you can see it's got the chimney here, and this was where they would have been cooking. You've also got, well, that would be now a sort of pizza oven, but where they would have been baking bread. And I think that's quite rare to find in these types of trulli. I haven't seen one that big yet. You've got another alcove here, and on the other side, we also have another room. Now, I'm going to put the plans of this property up because in reality, obviously, it needs to be completely restored. There are another 2 sections behind on this part of the Trullo. So I do actually want to show you that. So let's just go for a walk around the other side. Now, there's a lot of grass here, so I'm just trying to not step on anything. Now coming round here, as I say, I'll show you better with the drone. There are another 2 lots, and it's difficult for me to access it now, but what I'll do is I'll fly the drone around. Again, location is everything in Puglia, and here we are in between Ostuni and Fasano, which is one of the most sought after locations. Now, if you have any more questions on this property or any of the others, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching.